morning students, this is Arti Pillai, your English teacher, and today I am going to explain you the first poem of your English literature book, and the title of the poem is The Squirrel, which is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. You can see the picture of Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So here students, before moving into the poem, let's discuss about the squirrel. And you must have seen the squirrel running around here and there all over the trees. And so squirrel is a rodent, and it's a very interesting and a playful animal students, and it's very naughty, and you have seen many a times around the trees, right? And you must have tried to catch this animal. Okay, similarly the poet, what the poet is doing in this poem, do you know? We will see what the poet actually trying to say in this poem. We will read the poem, and after that I am going to discuss. So here students, let's move into the poem. Let's move into the poem. Okay, he wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Okay. Now students, let's move on to the first line. He wore a question mark for tail. The first thing that the poet notices about the squirrel is its tail. Okay, it's tail. So students, the shape of the tail. Okay, if you see closely, it's how does it look? You just see. If you see closely, how does it look? How does it look? It's just like a question mark, right student? So here the poet relating the tail with the question mark, right? So let's move on to the second line. An overcoat of grey. The poet is talking about the body of the squirrel. The body of the squirrel. Okay, like it's grayish in color. So the poet relating it like the squirrel wearing an overcoat. Okay, squirrel wearing an overcoat. The way we wear overcoat when it's a lot of cold outside. Okay, similarly here poet relating the appearance of the squirrel with the overcoat, right students? And one more thing, how does a squirrel move? How does a squirrel run? You know, bending, moving and running. Okay, but whenever they eat something, as you know, students, the squirrel, it's a very lively, it's a very naughty animal. Okay, and whenever these squirrel, okay, this squirrel eat in a certain posture, the back is always straight. Okay, so this is the characteristic of the squirrel, that whenever he eats, he always sits straight, right students? And whenever you run behind the squirrel, what happened, do you know? Whenever you runs to catch around the squirrel will turn in other way, right? And similarly the case with the poet, if the poet and his friends trying to catch the squirrel, what happened next, do you know? The squirrel went in other way, right? This is what the poet expressing and sharing his experience as a child with his friend. So in this way, I come to an end of this poem students. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Only you have to do one thing, just write down poem, and if synonyms is there, you just note it down, and I'm just giving you question answer. Okay, till then bye students.